Drumming, strumming, living, pipers, piping, 10, Lawrence 9, ladies dancing, 8, maids and milk and ceiling, swan 6, geese a laying, 5, golden.
So today is Monday. It's 3:34 right now. I'm currently about to wax my armpits, so I'm cleaning my wax pot out first so I can put some new wax in. So I'm finna just show y'all that, and then we're gonna clean this wig off that I got that I'm about to reinstall tomorrow. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. To clean this lace. This wig, it is a 13x6 lace front, 30-inch, wet and wavy. It don't look wet and wavy right now, but we finna revamp this and make it look like something. Clean this lace, and the link is gonna be in the description box. Use boiling water, or if you got a kettle, that's better. I got a kettle, got a bowl, and pour hot water in it with Dawn dish soap. Yeah.
Another one. We the best music. DJ Khaled.
I hope you know I'm for the tagging. You know this cookie's for the bagging. Kitty, kitty, baby, get her things to rest. Cause you done beat it like the 68 Jets. Diamonds are nothing when I'm rocking with ya. Diamonds are nothing when I'm shining with ya. Just keep it white and black as if I'm your sister. I'm too hip to hop around town, I hit with ya.
I heard that pussy for the taking. I heard it got these other niggas going crazy. Yeah, I treat you like a lady. Fuck you till you burned out, cremation. Make it cream, yeah, Wu-Tang. Throw that ass back, okay. Call me and I can get it Tuesday. I can tell you gone off the doors.
I hope you know I'm for the tagging. You know this look is
Ride in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a print shawl. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me, or three of me, when it was you and me. I'm outside in it. I'm.
Okay, y'all. So I just finished my hair. On FaceTime with my friend. So if y'all see me talking in the video, I was talking to my friend on the phone because she was guiding me on how to do my install, because I have not installed a wig in a long ass time and I really needed that. But I'm gonna do my edges like later on in the week. I'm really not worried about that because I'm not going nowhere until Saturday. We was gonna do this curly wig, but when I put it on, the bald spot was bigger than what it was already. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Let me see if I can put it on my... The bald spot, honey. Get into the bald spot. Can you say fucking pissed? Pissed. This damn bald spot. And I had a cute ass outfit to go with this damn wig. But I will be getting me another one because it is on sale. I'm not sponsoring these wigs, but if y'all want to get y'all one, the link will be in the description box. This wig that I have on my head right now, it is a 13x6 frontal 30-inch. The hair is Yalight's official store. I got it off AliExpress. But that's all for today. I'm finna do a big clothing haul review. The clothing haul video will probably be up before this video, so y'all make sure y'all go ahead and click that link so y'all can tap in with the clothing haul, cause period. But I'm gonna probably get back up with you guys tomorrow because your girl is about to eat, and I don't know if I'm gonna try these clothes on today or tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all, but we not done. Today it is currently Friday. It's 2:04 right now. I haven't vlogged since I put this wig down on this video. I've been working on the clothing haul video. It's gonna be up today, so y'all make sure y'all click that link in the description box before y'all finish watching this video. Today we're gonna be running errands, but right now I'm finna get ready.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now, child, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now, child, child. Yeah, she making that shake, breaking that bait till her back break. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. She don't want hard marks, she want Amex and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no one ever pressed it. Took a month to make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. No, turn policies, can't be mine. Nah, nah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child.
Oh, you went Flintstones. Oh, you took the little roller off. Oh, you went big stones. Oh, you made 2 Instagram. Oh, you went ringtones. Oh, you went train on that bitch. Oh, you went ding dong. Oh, you went kingpin. Oh, you went wings in. Oh, you went hands on. Oh, you went singing. Oh, you went demon. Shoot out the demon. Man. Oh, you had king. truck. Oh, you want water out my hole. Oh, you want to line it all up. Hey, I'm going to play it.
I'm about to head to the groomers and pick my dog up, and I'm gonna come back and see y'all. But I did my makeup routine, my makeup no makeup routine, and why I forgot to put on my setting spray. So yeah, I need to hurry up and get home because today it's just not my day. That the bank just made my time narrow even down. Like, I'm running out of time. I'm trying to catch the tire place before they close. Hopefully I make it because I'm on the other side of town right now. But I'm going to come back to y'all. Okay, y'all. So, I'm sorry. You need to sit your ass down. Sit down. Rest your nerves. God, looking like a rat. But okay, so we leaving the groomers. Everybody is really pissing me off because they're driving slow. They're not driving like me, fast. And I honestly feel like if you could hit cars and not dent them up, that would be amazing. But yeah, I'm about to fin. Okay, y'all ain't going. Fuck y'all. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm getting really like annoyed. Like, everybody is pissing me off. It's like everybody moving in slow motion. I don't know what it is. Maybe because it's me, because I don't got patience enough for that slow shit. But I'm gonna come back when I get my mind right.
Oh my gosh, Chloe. I be in a loop. She be in a loop. Brody want a friend. Don't alley loop. Turn something to nothing. Bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the hoop?
Oh, I see you, Zay. Zay, you over there took the whole top off.
Hey y'all. So it's currently 5:07. I need to charge my phone because it's on 2%, and I'm about to leave in like an hour and some change. But I just left the baby. Well, I didn't just leave the baby shower. I went to a baby shower earlier, which I told y'all that I got a little clip of the baby shower, just a little clip when they was doing the baby bottle game. But I did enjoy myself. I seen my family and stuff like that. I'm gonna get ready in a little while for the fair, and y'all already know we finna link up with the gang. So when y'all see me, I will probably be at the fair. My friend's on the way to come get me, but before I leave, I just wanted to show y'all my fit real quick. If y'all watched my Shein haul, then y'all already seen this, but if you haven't, stop this video and click that link in the description box. I don't know if y'all can see. If y'all couldn't see that, make sure y'all follow my Instagram. It'll be on the screen, boom. But I'm not gonna take my camera. I'm just gonna vlog on my phone because I'm really going to eat, and carrying the camera and trying to eat at the same time is doing a lot. So I'm gonna be vlogging off my phone, and I also got a public interview coming for y'all. I think I said that already. I got a collab coming with my best friend, so y'all stay tuned for that, and I'm gonna see y'all at the fair. I wanted to cut in here on the end of this video just to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you made it this far to the end of the video, since I didn't end the video correctly, because the video, it was just so much going wrong in the video. I started out to post it, but since I just had the footage, I was like, why not? Since I done had y'all waiting for a while, why not just kick off Vlogmas? So this just a little something to hold y'all over till the first Vlogmas video drop. So yeah, don't forget to hit that bell, y'all.